Exercise number 1, dumbbell hammer curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Keep your elbows close to your sides and lift the weights with a steady, controlled motion. Focus on squeezing your biceps at the top of every rep, no swinging, let your arms do all the work. Feel that pump building. Exercise number 2, barbell overhead tricep extension. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Keep your core tight, raise the bar overhead, and lower it slowly behind your head. Push it back up using the power of your triceps. Stay controlled, this move builds strength and shape in the back of your arms. Exercise number 3, barbell preacher curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lock your upper arms on the pad and curl the bar up with full focus on the biceps. Slow on the way down to maximize tension. This isolation movement gives you the deep, clean bicep contraction. Stay steady. Exercise number 4, barbell curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand tall, grip the bar firmly, and curl it up without swinging your body. Keep your elbows planted and squeeze your biceps at the top. Control every rep, this is how you build solid arm size and definition. Exercise number 5, cable tricep pushdown. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Keep your elbows tucked in and push the handle straight down until your arms are fully extended. Squeeze your triceps at the bottom, then return slow. Feel it burn, this move sharpens and tones your arms.